So give me the size of this like 10 VW. 10 VW is enough for that. Like, and we know it's like 6 VW. It's like one sec. No, it's like 8 VW. Yeah, 8 VW is correct. It's a bigger, like 7 VW should be correct. So, okay. So give me the div of display flex 65 content space between and align center. So, oh fuck. No. This doesn't mean that one. Yeah. I have to give this first h1 tag to display flex justify content center. Display flex justify content space between line items center. Now see, okay, this 2023, 2024, 2025 going to a side. Now I have to give the section. I have to give this section part one some padding. Give me some padding of 10 pixel. Some padding 10 pixel like 50 pixel. Yeah, some padding of 50 pixel. 50 pixel is more like 20 pixels enough. Okay, let's comment this code. This is disturbing our main. This let's just comment it first. Okay, so let at first color this as a black. Second black and color should be white. Okay, second black should be white. Okay. Now we have to like what we have to do is we have to add a bottom underline inside the text. So how do we do that bottom underline? So in the h1 like bottom bottom radius bottom radius bottom border left radius border bottom right radius border bottom side radius. How to okay how to give border border top to the h1 element of um, h1 element. Okay, border top. Okay. H1 should be border top. Okay, the short form will be BT, like BT, border top 30, border top 1 pixel, solid white. So, okay, now more about a total border top. I want this on div. I want this on div. So that it will cover the, no, no. I want the whole, like if we open this, then first tag, I want the border on the first tag class. I want the border on the first tag class. I want the border. Let's select it. I want the border address. Now, it's a great idea. Now, give me some padding to this div. Padding will be 20 pixel. Padding will be 20 pixel. Padding margin, padding inline. So be padding inline. Padding block. Padding block. Padding block. If you do padding block those are pixel, then what is okay now? So padding block will be 20 pixel. It's like more 40 pixel. Yeah, you log it as 40 pixel. Now our is ready. Now is this simultaneous? Now the opacity should be lower. So I will do H1 opacity. Opacity should be 0.5. Opacity should be 0.5 and H1 H1 no H3 H1 opacity 0.5. Okay, opacity is 0.5. The border color should be yes. Now is the font is same in this website? Font same. Okay, okay. Now is this image? I will add this image from the JavaScript. So wait until this. Now I have to add this button of. I have to add this button inside that. At first, try to let's comment it. Now this is my website now. Give this margin blue like hello section margin bottom. Hello section B margin bottom 20 VW. No padding padding bottom 20 VW is enough. 10 VW. Okay, 10 VW is correct. Okay. Now guys, now I have to make this button inside. Now we have to add a button. So what I can do, what can I do? Can do that I can add a section inside section, a button in which what is the text? View all works. View view all works. Class of button is button first. So select the button in the HTML and come into the CSS and style it button first. Button first color should be white and width is equal to 20 pixel. Height is equal to 10 pixel. Check it out on. Okay, now it's looking very beautiful, guys. Let's let's check it with height with those of pixel width. Those of pixel width and it's like 10 VW and if 5 VW. Oh, the color should be white and background color should be black. Border 1 pixel solid white. Border radius should be 40%. 40% now. No, it should be white. It should be 10 pixel. Cursor pointer. Remove this and comment this. You cannot comment this. Okay, now cursor pointer. Font size should be 10 pixel. 100 pixel. Font size, bro, not family. Oh, it's too big, like 10 pixel, 20 pixel, 5 VW, 2 VW, 1 VW. Yes. If we do responsiveness, Now in the responsive, the button is going to small, very small. So in the responsive, we have to bigger the image in the responsive. So I will do with this at Chat GPT. So I will tell this that give me the best responsive code of this button. The first responsive code of this button is first button padding responsive code. 1 second. Media core is 600 pixel. Give me according to max with 600 pixel. Give me responsive code of this website. We are not putting responsive code of this button. Responsive code of this button. Okay. No, 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 come here, come here, come here. Right, do it, right. Wow. Okay. Now, if we responsive this website, my original one, then what is going to button one? Border is border is bold. Border is bold. It should be 2 pixel. Okay. And the opacity should be okay. Now cut this code from here and paste paste this. Where is my media query? Yes, this is the media query ones. And release delete this problem. Now it's working. It's working. It's working. Now uncomment all of the section and see what's the result. What's the result till now? This is our result till now. Now I have to web. I have. We have to build. We have to build some more website. We have to build a lot of things right now. So let's see. Now we have to build this female photos and this about section. Okay. Now let's start. We have to build this. No, in the HTML, third section should start. The third section. So in the third section, what is going to build? What we are going to build is also for this. I have to create a image. I have to create an image, and I have to create a name for this. Let's try to understand what he is created on the website. He is going to div, a div and div, a div image or a div, and then a div, and a div, detail, div, 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 div. Okay. Let's start with building that. I can understand what is he doing. Now I have to build some div. The model, and inside the model I have to image. So what image I should prefer? Control Shift plus I. Here we can find the image. I have to go inside the network box and in the image I will click there. I cannot find that image though. So what can I do? I can simply download an image from the internet. So Pinterest, go to the Pinterest and let's try to download this image. I copy image address and now let's try to download save image as desktop. Okay, downloads, save. Now go to the download folder and control cut. Let's cut the image and inside your folder you have to add an image folder pwd. Pwd. You are in the folder of product project.js and you have to build a folder inside it. So for building a folder inside this project one, you have to write a command that is, you have to write a command. What's the command? Mkdir, yes, mkdir images. So you can see, no, it's outside the project group. So for this removation of this object, what is the command? Mk, no, rm img, something that, oh no, I have to, okay. Let's ask the ChatGPT. If I want to remove the image folder from this, so how can I do? What is the command of it? Give me the Give me the script command. Give me the command. If you want to rmdir slash rms image base rf minus image. Okay, bro. Okay, let's delete. Now what should I have to do is cd project one. So now we are inside the project one folder. You can see here we are inside the project one folder. Now here we have to create mkdir image. So now we are in the image folder. So we have copied that image and we have to paste it here. The control copy that image and paste it. Image copy. No, no. See the image folder and this is the image of Ovito. So we have to copy it and paste it. Now rename. We can rename this project as Toby. So now give the path of, we have to give the path of image. So, so we image. So now what can I do? I have to build another div so with class of text var. Now inside this div, what we have to build is we have to build two, three things like h3 in which written is about me and a paragraph which is written like no. If we are adding the image of Obitos and give me the brief description of in 200 word word word. So copy it and paste it under the. Okay, so it's too big, bro. I don't want too big text. So control it. View word wrap alt set. So remove this. So now we have to add a button. Let's talk button class. Let's talk. Yeah, then we so inside the button, the text it written is button. Let's talk button. Let's let's talk. So what is the result, bro? Result is obviously not good. So let's create a button. What is the result here? Result is that it's too big image and the text are not in the same as the we want. So at first we have to do is we have to create a section 3 black background. I want to create a background black so that black background is appearing. So and inside this div, no, and okay, section color should be color should be white. Color should be white. Now this is visible. So the image size is too big, so that we have to fix the size of image. So where is image? Image is inside the model image. Dot model image. So width is equal to 200 pixel, height 200 pixel, fx, and border radius should be 20 pixel. No, it's 50%. If we have to circle image, then it should be 50 pixel, 50%, sorry. So now in the third section, we have to display flex, justify content not, justify self not, justify content center in item center. Okay, not justify content center, but justify content space between we have to given. Hmm. If we give the fixed size of div, like if we give this div, where is div? Okay, text para. If we give this div a fixed width is equal to 300 pixel, so is it going to space between no blue? Space around should be the most perfect thing, I think. It should not 300 pixel, it should 600 pixel. And in the like should be the size is 100 VH, I think. The third section, width is equal to 100% and height is equal to 100 VH. VH. Yes. Now this size of image should be some bigger, like image size should be 300 pixel, should be 300 pixel. Now if we 300 pixel, like if we do 200 pixel, we do 200 pixel, not should be the size. Bro, if we do 100 pixel and 100 pixel, what is going? Not image, bro. What the fuck? It should be 300 out of 300 and copy text para 300 300. Okay. At first, give the image padding. Padding left. Image should be padding left should be 220 VW. No, it is very big. So 10 VW. Padding no bro. Margin left. Margin left 10 VW. 16 VW. Element. Bro, where is should be 34 VW margin left. No, it should be margin left. So what is this? Justify content. So, map should be 40 pixel. It should be 50 pixel. Oh no, 50 pixel. This let's talk. This is button isn't looking boring. Like okay, give me the classroom button. 800 pixel, 100 pixel, height, 50 pixel. Okay, background color black and color blue line, color white, color blue color. This let's do. Why, like, what is the dimension of this button? So, what pixel? 31 pixel. Length is 108 pixel and 31 pixel. Okay. Now, padding top, margin top, 5 pixel, 10 pixel, 100 pixel. Okay. 10 pixel. Now I want to small the size of a little bit of I want to decrease the size of image when we are going to view the website in the mobile. So this is the code of image. So I want to try that. Okay, this is the code of image, and I want to try that. I want that the image is image is going to be small, a little in the responsive responsiveness. And give me the responsive code of it. Max with pixel. Like if we do responsiveness, so where is responsiveness? So where is responsiveness? Paste this code here. Not try to check our website. Like if we decrease, oh no, हाँ check कर दिया. And the model generate the image. The model generate image. What the fuck? Seven, seven, six, seven, seven, six, seven. एक सुनो नाइस horizontal. Just a second. So, Okay. So here is our project, dude. Here is our project. See, see, bro. This is our. Look, can I do maximum width of not 600 ज़्यादा में ही कर दो मतलब like 700 में कर 700 जैसे ही आए तो yeah, great. Let's end the stream, guys. That's it for today. Live. This is the project I have built. Now we will come with second part on next day.